Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adham Ashraf bin Muhammad Salhi. Today we will be presenting our group project called Venue Booking System. In this system, we will be providing an efficient solution for manual booking system problems. User can also easily check the availability of the system much easier and save a lot of their times. This system work by displaying venues based on user desired time, which is when the user enter the date and day, the system will be displaying the which venue are available at the moment. The system also allow to track and make analysis for user reservation. For the objective of this project is we want to make sure that we are enhancing and improving our data management more efficiently. Second of all, we want to make sure that we keep records of bookings that have been made and display the booking details for users. And last but not least, we want to provide much easier way for users to check the availability of the venue.
Hello madam, I'm Muhammad Idan Kimi. I will be presenting the IPO Input Process Output model for our venue booking system. This system is designed for three types of user: student, lecturer, staff, or outside organizer, or admins. Let's start with the input section. This system collects various details depending on the user type. These include personal details like name, ID, phone number, and email. Other than that, booking information such as venue code, date, times, and hours. Payment details for outside organizer, including card details and promo codes. Admins need to log in credentials for managing booking system and payment. The process differs based on the user type. For students, lecturer, and staff, they log in, choose to book a venue, and then they enter their details and booking information. Lastly, the system confirms their booking. For outside organizer, they log in and follow the same steps as student. They proceed with payment, choosing a method, and entering details. Lastly, the system calculates the total price, applies any discount, and confirm payment. Lastly, for the admins, they log in with a special username and password. They can view booking summaries, analyze payment records, determining the highest, lowest, and average payments. They can also restart and exit the system. After processing, the system provides output such as booking confirmation details, including venue, date, and time. Other than that, payment details like final price after discount, and lastly, admin report summarizing booking and payment records. This output ensures smooth management of venue bookings and financial records. In conclusion, our venue booking system simplifies the booking process for students, staff, and organizers while allowing admins to oversee transactions efficiently. This structured IPO model ensures clarity and effectiveness at every step. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wana Manazmi bin Wanu Mano. I will be presenting about pseudocode for our venue booking system. And this is global variable recursion that will be used throughout the whole system. And below is the function to find the highest, lowest, and total sum and average of all the paid prices by the users. This will only be used by the admin. And this is to calculate the discount amount. This will only be used if the user have the promo code. For example, if the user have promo code, then they will be required to enter. If not, then the system will continue. This is the function to let the user choose payment method. There are three available payment method right now. The first one is credit card, the second one is debit card, and the third one is online banking. And this is the function for displaying venue. For example, if the user want to choose a venue on Monday, they will be required to enter the day, which is Monday, and then the venue for all venue available for Monday will be displayed. The venue name, venue code, available time, and maximum book hours. is the function for day and date selection, which will be required after the user enter the day, and they will be required to enter the date for the date that they want to book for the venue. And this is the main function. This all the important declaration. The system start with welcome welcome message to the user. Then the user will be required to answer whether they want to continue or exit the program. If they choose to continue, then they will need to choose the login type. The first one is student, lecturer, or staff of the UiTM. The second one is outside organizers, and the third one is admin. If they choose the first two option, then they will be required to choose whether they want to book a venue or they want to exit the system. After they choose to book a venue, then they will be required to enter all of the important information. And after that, they will be required to enter the day that they want to book, for example, Monday, Wednesday, or whatever. And then they will be required to enter the hours that they want to book. And after you are done with that, the system will confirm the user whether whether the selected day and date whether selected day and venue is correct to the user. If not, then they can start over again. After that, after they have confirmed it, then they are required to pay, if only for the second choice, which is the outside organizers. And there are 3 available payment methods as said before. And after that, after they are done with the payment, there are the booking details which was entered by the user, and the payment information that is every important information that the user want. And if the user is selecting the admin option, then they will be required to enter the username and password so that it will be more secure. The admin will be able to see the booking summary like number, name, venue, paid price, and of all the users. And this is the booking analysis for the admin of what I said before, the highest, lowest, total sum, and average. And that's the end of the system. Now if the user want to go back to the login page and book again, they can do so. If not, then they can exit the system.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Faris Iskandar bin Muhammad Faizan with metric number 2024274786. I will be doing the demo of the system by explaining the sample of input and output. First up, the system will ask the user to enter 1, 2 or 3 with each has different logins. If the user enters other than the given option, the system will show error and ask the user to input again. Next, on the venue selection menu, the system will ask the user to input the desired day by using a specific format shown in the system. If the user enters the wrong way of typing the day, the system will show error and ask user to enter the desired day again. As for the price display, it will only show up if the user log in as outside organizer, because only those who are outside organizers will be charged. By then, By that, the price will not show up if the user log in as student, lecturer or staff. Finally, every venue will have their own maximum reserve hours, depending on the chosen day. So if the user enters the booking hours exceeding the maximum limit, it will ask the user to enter the booking hours again, as the previous input is invalid. Thank you. That's all for me. This system provides several advantages. This system does not only enhance booking efficiency but also significantly reduces the amount of errors on booking processes. Since this system is able to record the booking history and details, there is no need of manual management by humans, making the cost of operations to be much lower. In addition, customers will be able to make reservations much easier by benefiting from the cashless transaction. Last but not least, this system is user-friendly, making the interactivity between humans and this system much more convenient than manual bookings.
What is the significance of our system to the targeted user, organization, or society? First, I think that our system is really flexible, and I think that is because and saving time, and then I think that is because the user don't need to go to the office or to fill out any paper form to book a venue, which will take a lot of time because sometimes there will be a lot of people at the office with different needs. And other than that, is the payment method. For example, like I said, there are 3 payment methods. If the bank have a maintenance problem or anything like that, then the user can use credit card or debit card. And if the debit card or credit card has a problem to them, then they can use the online banking system. And I think that's all from me. I will pass this to my colleague Faris Iskandar. Thank you.
For the list of questions, I'll be choosing question number 10, which is, what are the most valuable lessons that I've learned throughout this group project? For me, in my honest opinion, the most valuable lesson that I've learned in this group project is to work as a team and be more patient. Also, you have to trust. I've learned that we have to trust the process, because during this group project, we face a lot of difficulties, such as correcting and errors for the program. That's it from me. I'll be passing to Idlan to explain the next slide.
For medium question, which is what the recommendation to overcome the limitation of the system, the first thing we can do is to allow more flexible booking times. The issue is user must select from predefined time slots, which is we can implement a dynamic time selection system where users can specify any start and end time with validation to prevent overlaps. Other than that, we can also implement user account and authentication. For this issue, user must manually enter personal detail every time they make a booking. We can overcome this by implement a registration and login system where user details are stored and auto-filled for future bookings. That's all for me.
That's all from our team. Thank you.